Max DL 2.5 was seen gathering dust at retail establishments in the 2000s. The model has returned to the shelves of Nike's Tier 1 stores almost 20 years after it first appeared. As the Y2K trend continues to grow, Nike is releasing new Air Max DL 2.5 colorways for the summer or autumn of 2025. Beginning at the top, orange bright ceramic mesh replaces college gray mesh beneath the section with the wavy leather overlay. To create coherence underfoot, the overlays are paired with a black toe, heel, and midsole. The full-length air cushioning's tour yellow complements the Swoosh logo's bright Picante Red accent. The reappearance of Picante Red and tour yellow on the insoles and outsoles adds even more flaming to an already incendiary mixture. The $180 men's Nike Air Max DL 2.5 college gray, Picante Red, black, bright ceramic, and tour yellow will be available in summer or autumn 2025.